Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the information. A moving truck can tow a trailer if the combined weight of the trailer and the boxes it contains is no more than 4,600 pounds. What is the maximum number of boxes this truck can tow in a trailer with a weight of 500 pounds if each box weighs 120 pounds? So we have to find the maximum number of boxes. Let me assume X as the number of boxes. Let me write over here. Okay, it is given that the weight of the trailer is 500 pounds. So the weight of the trailer is 500 pounds and the weight of each box is 120 pounds. Then what is the weight of X number of boxes? Okay, to find the weight of X number of boxes, I have to multiply the weight of one box 120 by the number of boxes X, then 120X. So when I add them, I'm getting the total weight of the trailer and the X number of boxes. So this is a total weight the moving truck can tow. And according to the information, the total weight the moving truck can tow has to be no more than 4,600. That is, this weight cannot be more than 4,600 pounds. That is, this weight can be equal to 4,600 or less than 4,600 pounds. Okay, now in this inequality, I have to solve for X, which represents the number of boxes. Okay, for that, let me subtract 500 from both sides. When I subtract 500 from both sides, so this positive 500, negative 500 will cancel out. I'm getting 120x less than or equal to, when I combine this positive 4,600, negative 500, I'm getting 4,100. Okay, now to solve for x, what I need to do is I have to divide both sides by 120. So let me divide both sides by 120. This 120 will cancel out. I'm getting x less than or equal to, when I divide this 4,100 by 120, I'm getting 34.166 and it keeps going. Or we can round it to the nearest 100, that is 34.17. Okay, so the value of x has to be less than or equal to 34.17. Actually, x represents the number of boxes. So the number of boxes cannot be decimal. It has to be an integer. So we have to consider the integer value which is less than or equal to 34.17. So the integer value which is less than or equal to 34.17 is just 34. So then we get x has to be less than or equal to 34. So the maximum value of x is 34. That is the maximum number of boxes this truck can tow in a trailer is 34. We find 34 in option A. So the correct answer choice for this question is option A.